Mission accomplished. Francois Latour and his buddies' sprawling multi-plow contraption successfully carved more furrows into the soil in one shot than ever seen before. The new world record of 83 furrows was officially set in front of hundreds of onlookers who gathered for the August 22nd spectacle, coinciding with the Clarence Rockland ploughing match outside St. Albert.
Everything started 5 years ago to think about that big plow and doing, but the last year we put all together and welding and fix the plow, and a group of people help me every weekend with this. I got a team of about 55 guys. All the plow, I got 40 plow, one behind the other one. It's 327 feet, and we're going to plow about 80 feet wide.